Hi, you guys. Welcome to our study. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Stephanie McGuire, and I'm part of your doterra family. I just want to go through the different kits that we have and what's in it and what to expect. By now, you filled out the form, you've paid your $4.99 for shipping, and your kit is on its way. Once you get your kit, please open it up. Inside your kit, you are going to have an Essential Oil Life A to Z guide. This is an incredible guide just for you, just in case you want to look up anything else that essential oils can help. This is a great resource for you to be empowered. Also inside your kit, you're going to see your essential oil instructions. On the essential oil instructions, it's going to give you what you have as far as what's in the kit and then how to use them. But I'm going to go through each one just for you. So here we go. This is a sleep study. In this sleep study, you are going to have a plastic bag full of these little brown gel capsules. Each gel capsule consists of what we call Serenity. Serenity is a blend that has like lavender in it. It has different essential oils that help you fall asleep. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take that bag, put it by wherever you're at as far as going to sleep. 30 minutes before you normally go to sleep, I want you to start taking 2. So you're going to take 2. Then inside that bag, you're going to have a little roller bottle that has Serenity and another one that has vetiver. The Serenity roller bottle, I want you to just carefully roll it on your pillow so you can continue to smell it. Even put it on your hand. Breathe it in. And then I want you to take the vetiver. And the vetiver, I want you to roll it down your foot. Now, just in case the vetiver does not have a label on it, it is the darker and the viscosity on it is very thick. So just in case you can't get it out, feel free to take off the roller bottle. It comes off very easily, and then you can put it on your foot. You guys, the sleep study will be amazing if you do a couple of things. So I'm going to share with you what I wish I would have known when I did the sleep study. Number 1. It is really important that you have a program, some kind of routine in the evening, meaning that if you go to bed between 9:30 and 10, that you consistently go to bed 9:30 through 9:30 and 10. Also, that if you're going to bed around 9:30 or 10, you're going to be taking the Serenity capsules at 9. If you have a diffuser, then you can take some of the Serenity or the vetiver, take off the roller bottle, drop a couple in your diffuser, close your door before you go to sleep or even before you go to bed, right? Close the door so that when you're ready for bed, you're smelling it. One thing about essential oils is that they're very potent in the fact that literally as you smell it, right, it is going to hit the limbic system where all your emotions are at. And it's just going to go, and it's going to know, hey, I'm ready for sleep. I'm ready for bed. Now, the other key thing is that essential oils are similar to medication in the fact that if you were to go to the doctor and he prescribed you some type of medication and it didn't work, you wouldn't say, well, that was stupid. That was a waste of time. I'm not going to do that. Instead, we've been programmed to call the doctor and say this didn't work, and they're going to give you something else. Well, essential oils are just like that. Just because something works for someone doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Our bodies are different. And so if it's not working, then please let the person who invited you to the study know, and we'll get you something different to make sure that you have a very positive experience with essential oils. We are so excited that you have started on this journey. We are so excited that you're here, and we wish you luck. Please note, you're kind of going to be stalked for 7 days. We want to know how you are doing. So please take note, whether you are in our Facebook group or if you choose not to be part of the Facebook group and you're part of the email campaign, let us know. Make sure the person who invited you here knows exactly what's happening with you. If we don't know, you will never have this incredible experience. And trust me when I tell you, this will change your life. It will bring hope and it will empower you as a mom, as a dad, as an uncle, as a brother, even as a colleague. It will empower you to know that you have solutions right at your fingertips. I can't wait for these 7 days. We'll see you then. Bye.